you're not on.
Let's see the monitor.
Hmm? Can I wear the necklace?
Yeah, you're taller than me too.
Oh no, it's okay. If you're wearing it already, it's fine. I was like, how's the scene? Oh yeah, perfect.
I have tickets too.
Should have downloaded it just in case I didn't have.
Ah! Body cam.
Wait, but like, if it's outside, I want it to be dark.
Yeah.
I guess
It evolved like super quick. I was wearing sunglasses in the court. It's so small.
Oh, did we enter?
Huh?
That's what she said?
Yeah. There's a bunch of arrows that are pointing towards it. That's Loma. Deep Loma. Oh my god.
A ball.
Yeah.
I want a monitor. Can you wear it
Look at
instead?
that double R, guys.
Can you wear it? Because I have my bag.
What?
Can you wear it?
I wear it?
My bag is gonna knock you.
Look at that double R, guys. Either my jacket's too thick to hold it. Oh, no, man. It's good.
The plastic card. Have a photo?
Oh.
I literally see someone over it. That's why not.
Got the photo here, too. Can I put it more over to my right side? Look here. Oh. This one. It's a body cam. Okay, just pause it for now. Turn it off. That's a real actor. He's gonna stay there. Yeah, it is. I don't know.
Right?
You have to look through.
Those are actors too.
Yeah.
Is the brightness good? Oh, you should turn on the ISO. You know how to do that? Turn up the ISO. Because it's so dark.
So stop recording?
Yeah, you have to. Oh. We lost them.
Camera, but when that purple light's on you, it's pixelated.
Oh my god, I can't see.
It's dark. What the fuck is
What?
You guys know that this is the haunted place?
Is it?
These tunnels? And it's the horse stables.
It's wet.
Why is it wet? Let me check. This is like this is so weird. Oh, fuck! Can you send me that? Yeah. Why not? Why is it wet? I know. Where are we? I think we're in the Casa. Are we in the I think we're actually listen down.
No. Oh, I am putting it in my hat.
That's disgusting. Oh, it's not real. I don't want to know. Bro, I look. I'm scared of my. Is it the plate? Plate? The black? So these are real pictures?
They'll probably die. Watch out.
What is that?
Baby.
Where do I jump first? I love that. You want to Legs are great. This is just all fake shit. A cow? Like this cow? This is like my biggest fear. Those hats, like getting that hair. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah! It's so slow.
Oh my.
Ready to be my prisoner! And above the other get ready to be trapped, my lovely.
Bro, I can't fucking breathe. Yo, this is crazy. Bro, I can't even see. Steps. Yeah. Oh my god. Now it's time. Oh, that breeze is nice. I need it. Fire? Brings her onto fire. Wait, guys. This is so... Please help me. Please.
That is a beautiful voice.
Keep helping me.
These are actors actually. I can't see them. Oh, we're done?
She will never come back. Where are
Is it rolling?
my true love? Where have you gone? Can you feel the pain inside me? Christine, will you love me? Why you haven't come back to me? No. You won't. Why is all that stupid thing going up and down? I wrote this for the opera. And I am the phantom. Yeah, exactly. And now I will play it for you, and you. Torment. The pain is why am I like this? Because I am the phantom of the opera. It's there.
Like, go in front.
No.
Cameraman never does.
So long.
Okay, quick like that.
That was a robotic thing. That was not okay.
I felt like the nose passed through here. Got it.
Wait, which way do we go? Oh.
My masterpiece.
Wait, it might be recording right now.
What? I don't think you're recording.
No, I am. I think.
Okay, do we have to go
Haha.
back?
Okay, your turn. Wait, we're done.
Here, in front of like, here. You don't
Wait,
eat
we're done.
rice.
We didn't even go to that.
Yeah.
Touch this area.
Oh yeah, there. Yeah. Okay, where should I take a picture? Where do we go to the bar? To the bar. 300, right?